Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, November 7th. The Zen story for today is titled The Day the Fox Was Not Real. It was a strange day. The monk had been watching the fox walk across the clearing, backlit by early sun, when he noticed something was missing. There was no shadow, no shape stretching behind it, no outline responding to light. Just fur and movement, and the sound of leaves giving way beneath 4 silent paws. He blinked. It was still there. Fox, yes, but no shadow. None at all. The fox sat and licked its shoulder, as if unaware of its own impossibility. That evening, the monk tried not to think about it. He swept the floor, lit the lamp, cooked a bit of rice. He even meditated longer than usual, hoping the breath would clear the confusion. Then came the voice. It wasn't loud, just close. He opened his eyes, looked around. Nothing. But as he turned to extinguish the lamp, he heard it again, low, playful, entirely unfamiliar. Why do you breathe like you own the air? He spun. No one there. He slept lightly that night, one ear tilted toward silence. Just before dawn, he dreamt of the fox sitting in his room, curled atop the cushion, asking questions in a tongue he didn't know but somehow understood. Why do you look for footprints when you could follow the wind? The monk answered in the dream, or maybe just nodded. He woke confused and sweating. He stepped outside for air. Above the cabin, dew still clung to the wooden roof. The light was just enough to see it, a paw print pressed into the center of the slanted boards, on the ceiling. No mud, no dirt, just a shape, clear and sharp, like something had walked upside down while he slept. He leaned back, staring at it until his neck ached. Later that day, he saw the fox again. It was sitting on a tree branch, and beside it, calm, unbothered, an owl. The two were facing each other, as if in conversation. The owl hooted once. The fox responded with a twitch of its tail and something that might have been a nod. Then both turned and looked down at him. The monk waved. The owl blinked. The fox did not. That night he dreamt again. Why do you keep trying to wake up, the fox said, when it's the dream that's been watching you? He woke before he could answer. The paw print was gone. The shadow had returned. The owl was nowhere to be seen. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What has disappeared from your life but still seems to leave a presence behind? What has disappeared from your life but still seems to leave a presence behind? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What has disappeared from your life but still seems to leave a presence behind? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.